Hi friends, this video shows how to remove CO2 cylinder from Sodamaker. So first we need to remove the back cover of the Sodamaker. So let me rotate the Sodamaker. Then here you can see two buttons, one in the left side and another one in the right side. We need to press these two buttons together, then pull back. That way we can remove the back cover. Press these two buttons, then pull. Done. And this is the CO2 cylinder, so I am going to remove it. For removing this, we need to rotate it to left side like this. Okay, done. So this way we can remove CO2 cylinder. So if you want to connect it, again just take it and insert like this. Then connect it like this. Then rotate this cylinder to right side. Okay, done. So this way we can insert the CO2 cylinder. So just I am going to close the cover. Okay, done. So this way we can remove and insert CO2 cylinder. Please try this.